Hi everyone, this is Jessica from My Mother's Crafts, designing for 12 by 12 cardstock shop. And today I'll be working on this bow themed Highchair banner. I'll be using my Barely Arts craft glue to glue my banner together. Be sure to check out the description of this video for more information on how you can get access to this file. Next, I'll be putting together the letters for my banner using my Barely Art cubies. I'll be using the short cubies to add a little bit of height to my letters. I'll be adding some butterflies to the banner with the letter N using my Barely Art cubies. Next, I'll be creating some 3D bows and using a wooden dowel to help curl each side of my bow. The curling helps give the bow a nice rounded, smooth, and full look once it's all glued together. The template also includes these strips that you can use to wrap around the middle of the bow to give it more of a full button look. Before I glue down the bows to my banner, I'll be using my wooden dowel again to curl the ends of my bow. The template also includes these strips that you can glue to the back of your banner to help hide the ribbon once it's hung. And for the last step, I'll be using my needle to string the ribbon through my banner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the description for more information on how you can get access to this file.